Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So tonight I'm going to be trying out some new products, some of my new glow products. These are the products that I have that I'm going to be trying out today. That's the cleanser. This is the moisturizer. This is the toner. And this is just like my skincare area. This is the sleeping eye mask. I'm actually really excited for this because my eyes are dry. And then this is just a sleeping mask. But it's so cute, like, look at that, adorable. So I have to take my makeup off first. So I'll do that and then I will do my skincare routine. So I just cleaned my face with the cleanser. This little guy, Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser. And then now I am gonna go in with the Pore Tight Toner. Ooh. Okay, now I'm just gonna, apply. Ooh. Doing my review about my Glow Recipe skincare products. So this is the cleanser. It's the Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser. I would give this, I actually really like this. I'd give this 10 out of 10 because I can use a very small amount and I can wash my entire face, which is great. I love that. And then we have, I don't know why I sound like this, but I do, the Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. This little guy right here. Also, I really like this. It's like a gel, so it's very hydrating, which I love. Okay, and then I have the Watermelon Glow PHA and BHA Pore Tight Toner. I feel like this has been working. So I'd give the moisturizer like, I didn't rate that. I'd give it like a 9. No, I'd give it like an 8 because I actually really like the other moisturizer they have. It's like a different one. It's just like the Watermelon Glow. I think it's a different one. Yeah, I think it is. I really like that one. But, so that one's an 8. And this is a hydrating and pore refining. Yeah, I like this. I'd give this 7 because I don't really use pore tighteners that much. Okay, and then I have this Avocado Melt Retinol Eye Sleeping Mask. I'm gonna give this product like a 7 out of 10. Just because I do notice when I wake up in the morning after I put it on my eyes, it's a little crusty, but maybe that's just a me issue, but I'm not sure. But I did notice like right here, it gets a little like, it gets dry for me. Okay, and then the last thing I got is the Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. I've only used this once, but it smells really good and it feels nice when I use it in the morning. So that's great. Yeah, I actually really enjoy using Glow Recipe products. So I highly recommend it. They are on the pricier side though, but the products do last a long time. And all the products that I have here you can't get because they're all smaller sizes, like it came in a kit. So you can't get the sizes I got, I don't, unless you get the kit. I really like the other moisturizer and it literally lasts forever. I'll probably get a bigger cleanser once this little guy runs out, but it'll probably be a little while. Thanks for watching my glow, my nighttime skincare routine using Glow products.